This is Jing Ramos for Cebu Design Week, and I'm here to talk to you about two things that anchored me in this lockdown. I sought refuge in art, as you can very well see in the backdrop. It's a blue and white by Popo San Pascual, and it explores this parallel universe where flora and fauna run gamut. If you see the foreground, there's a shark diving into a lotus blossom. Now, that doesn't happen in our real lives, does it? But it certainly is lovely to look at. And the other thing, I have hinged myself to are books. I have been reading, going through some really good numbers that I would love to recommend to everyone in this state of alarm. I've chosen to read about Egon Schiele. I feel that he expresses that lockdown feeling. You know that he was in a mental institution, in and out, so the dude knows his lockdown. I have an annotated version of Oscar Wilde's The Portrait of Dorian Gray. Of course, Victoriana, that's another lockdown character we would want to know all over again. There are two other books which are Picasso in the year 1905 and 1906, and then there's The Stranger's Child by Alan Hollinghurst. But what puts me in a really good mood is Paul Bowles' Distant Episodes. It's a collection of short stories which are mostly set in Marrakesh, in Morocco rather, most importantly so Tangier. And I love it when he evokes the vastness of the North African desert as well as his love for the Islamic culture.